Welcome to this video where I want to talk to you about email templates and how to create them, how to edit existing ones that are in the system, and obviously you can then, after you've done this, watch another video about how to send those particular templates that you created. But a template essentially is an email, okay? So to access this, we're going to go to Communications, Emails, and then this blue button here, Email Templates List. So click on that. And what this then does is it loads all the templated emails that are in the system, which essentially are emails that then you can call upon at any point to put into a campaign of stuff that you want to send out. So essentially what this means is that some of these we've pre-configured. Now you will definitely want to change them because they're just kind of loosely based ones talking about business or whatever. You will need to change these, obviously based on yourself. I can't write obviously emails on your behalf for your business because everyone is slightly different. But we have kind of given you, rather than just a blank template with nothing in it, I've given you what ones we would use that you can tweak to get better results of people when you're sending these emails to them based on the activity they've taken. So typically we send these before call bookings happen to get people excited about the call and remind them the call is happening, but also if they haven't, maybe to fill out a questionnaire, or more importantly to watch the indoctrination video, which is key in getting people to not only show up for sales calls, but already kind of be bought into you before they get on the call because they understand what you're about. So that's how that all connects together with the marketing funnel side on the indoctrination page. And again, if you don't know what that is, watch the support videos on how to create all that funnel and indoctrination page and everything, and that will all become clear in the support area. But basically, coming back to email templates, like I say, you can see here we've got some configurations. So one here we have which is sent immediately upon call booking. One is sent 48 hours before call booking. One is 24 hours before call booking. One is 60 minutes before call booking, and then one is sent, say, like, you can see those 4 emails that we have in here, okay? And they're basically inside of your account automatically. So any campaign you create, it has those tied in. Now, what you will need to do is edit them, because if I show you what they look like, so this one here is as soon as someone books a call, which means they select a date and time inside your marketing funnel and book a call, they then get automatically sent this email. So you don't have to do anything, but you will need to just tweak it, okay? So if I show you what it looks like, this is what it looks like. It's white, plain text, there's no logo, there's nothing on there. Why? Because we know that gets you the best deliverability rate of that email getting through. Fancy coloured emails and stuff like that with logos and layouts that just don't get through, okay? So that's why we always recommend, and why we always do, we tested this, sending plain emails like this will get through a lot quicker. So again, we've got little things in here. So it's got like hi name. So these are personalization fields, which are already pre-dropped in there. So it means that if I sign up with my name, so hi Mark, it will say hi Mark. Just want to let you know, a friendly reminder about our upcoming call booking on, and then it then automatically picks up the data from the call booking slot they booked and puts that in there. Super excited about talking about you and helping you build your business. Now, obviously, you will need to tweak this because obviously this is one that just talks about business, but obviously if you work with non-business people and you work with dog owners, then talk about your dog or talk about the problem you have, or if it's relationships, talk about relationships. You'll need to edit it. I'll show you how to edit it in a separate video. It's very simple. Blah blah blah. So there's a bit of positioning on here, okay? Also says basically here, one, if you haven't completed your questionnaire, please do so, and it automatically links to the questionnaire for them. Secondly, watch the video on the indoctrination page, and then 3, please be in a quiet place, etc., etc. And also then basically it says here, I'll be calling you from a number that might not recognise, so please be aware, unknown international or something like that, because obviously you're dialing through the system, and then booked with, and then manage booking links. That's where they can cancel or amend the booking link here. Okay, and we also mention it in here. If they need to change a call time or cancel, please click the bottom, because if you don't show and not rebook, etc. And also, as important, obviously all of them have to have an unsubscribe link, which is shown there. So that's kind of a standard email that gets sent upon the reminder. So it's very important that you edit this, okay? And it's very simple to do. There is a video in there showing you how to do it, but you just click edit, and then you can edit it and save it, and off you go, and that's it. But I urge you to do all of these 4 emails, which is to send immediately on call booking, 48 hours before call booking, 24 hours before call booking, 60 minutes before call booking. Edit those, but they're already built in, okay? So again, you can see kind of like, the one that's 60 minutes before, much shorter email, links to the indoctrination page, puts their name in it, puts your name in it, and the call booking link, etc. So very, very simple. So you can see kind of there's not too much there to edit to make it relevant to you, but I highly recommend that you do edit them. Excuse me. And that's what we call an email template. It's basically an email that you can drop into a campaign at any point by adding that template in. It's very simple. And again, we show that in the campaign videos, support videos, how to drop an email template into a campaign, such things as bonuses, etc., etc. So that's how you kind of see a template. I'll show you how to edit it in a short video, and also show you how to add a new one, so you can add in as many as you want here. But let's say we've got some predetermined ones in here that you'll see in your account. I urge you to edit them straight away, because they are very important that they say the right thing for you to get people showing up on your call. But that's how you see what an email template is.